Every time I take a break, the game be so boring. Pretty like Naomi, Cassie plus Lauren. Spitting like Wheezy, Foxy plus Lauren. Boy like the Ramsey, now that's Gordon. They don't understand the back talk, I'm foreign. When they think they top the queen, they start falling. Word to my ass shots, I'm so cheeky. Got them tryna palm my ass like young Kiki. Yes, I'm ghetto, word to Geppetto. Plus I'm Leto, where's my stiletto? Tell Mike Jordan.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is MOURA Ying, if you didn't know. So today's video, we're gonna be doing something a little different on my channel. We're gonna be doing an eyebrow tutorial. So as you can see right now, my eyebrows are just in their natural state. I'm gonna show you guys how to do your eyebrows in like under 5 minutes. I don't use no concealer, no foundation, no like none of that. I only use like one product and then like something else to like fix it up. So let's get right into the video. So the first thing, my forever go-to thing that like if I never found this, I would not be doing my eyebrows. I would just be doing my eyebrows with like little eyebrow pencils that you find at like the Dollar Tree or like at Walmart, Walgreens, CVS, whatever. But the first product that I use is the Goof Poof Brow Pencil by Benefit in number 6. It looks like this. It has a spoolie. It's a brand new one too. I just bought a brand new one. It has like a spoolie at the end, and then on the other end it has the brow pencil. I get it in the darkest shade. I think 6 is the last number. I get it in the, focus on me. I get it in the darkest shade because like I just like dark eyebrows. Like I could get like a number 5, but I don't know, I just like thick dark eyebrows. My family always makes fun of how my eyebrows look, but I don't be caring. Like I don't be caring. So the first thing that I usually do is you want to have a mirror that's gonna be magnifying so you can like see what you're doing and stuff like that. So sometimes I use the mirror that's like behind y'all, or I use this mirror here, but I use it so I could like, you can really focus on what you're doing. So the first thing I do is I take like a clean spoolie. This is just like something I got from, like, you know when you just buy a pack of random brushes off of Amazon. It was like that. So the first thing I do, let me get down. I have to slouch down because you guys are so up high. So like the first thing I do is I just comb out my brows. Sorry, these eyelashes are dumb long. I should have put them on after, but I was already doing something. So first thing I do is I just comb them out, comb them up, then it's up. Just comb them up, and then I like make them into the shape that I want it. Like I don't just keep them all wacky. I like make them into a shape that I want them, you see? And my eyebrows are already shaved. I shave my own eyebrows. I just use like one of these. You can get like a pack of like 5 or 10 of these from Walmart. Easy money, easy bread. Like you don't have to spend that much money on that. So I just use one of these to shave my eyebrows, but I already shaved my eyebrows like a couple days ago, so they're kind of okay. And then after I take this, I go to the brow pencil and I just start lining my brows. Let me bring you guys closer. So like I said, after I take this, I kind of like shape it to what I want to shape. My right eyebrow is better than my left eyebrow, so bear with me. And remember, your brows are not supposed to be twins. They're supposed to be sisters, just like your eyelashes too. If you're a perfectionist and you want both of them to look exactly the same, that's fine, but I'm not a perfectionist. I'd be like ready to go. And like I said, this is like an everyday 5 minute, I got somewhere to be in like 10 minutes kind of tutorial. So I don't use no foundation, no concealer, no nothing. So the first thing I'm gonna do is, usually I look at the back mirror because I don't like to look too close to it because most people are gonna look at you far away, if that makes sense. So yeah, first thing I do, oh shit, let me move a lot closer, is I start going like that. Can y'all see that? Okay, I start going like that and I just do it like my natural shape of my brow, like that. And I do it at the top, I do it at the bottom, just like that. And you can make it come out as far as you want, or you can let it stay short. Sometimes I like to make the front thicker because then I start making my left one a lot thicker, so bear with me. And then I start filling it in, and make sure when you do this you have a light hand. Don't be hard, don't be heavy-handed. Don't do that, because if you start to be heavy-handed, you can't, like, you're gonna make mistakes. So you want to do light strokes, almost like you're a painter, you know. This color almost looks really light, because before I bought a new one I was using like a jet black brow pencil, so I'm not even used to my eyebrows being even this light, even though I think 6 is the last color, like I said. So you see that the shape looks good, the shape is nice, but I'm not gonna keep them this way. So then I move on to the next eye. Like I said, it's hard to do my left one sometimes, and my left eyelash is like mad high today. Like, it's hard for me to do my left brow, but I try to do my best. Why is y'all yelling? See, my left one is so hard to do. And plus, since this is new product, I feel like the tip is mad hard. Pause. You see how they're like kind of like different shapes? I always try to build up my right one because it seems like my left eyebrow is a little bit higher than my right one. See how they don't come like at the same length? Like, you see how this one's slightly taller than this one, but my eyebrows are like naturally like that, so I have no choice but to have them like a little crooked. I could shave them down and like do them better, but I'm not, because like I said, a wise person once told me they're supposed to be sisters, not twins, so you don't even have to do all that. So then I pause right here, and then I go to the spoolie side. Y'all see that? Y'all know which side I'm talking about, shit. And I just comb it out, like I blend out the product, because you don't want those harsh lines. You really don't want those harsh lines, sweetie. Blend it out, but don't drag it like out of your brow. Drag it like into your brow, but not like pulling it out of your brow. You know what I mean? Like, I'm only doing like soft little pulls, like not out of your brow, so it gets like on your forehead and your eyelid, not out of your brow, but like within the brow. And then once again I like go like this and try to like go back to the shape that I wanted. And then this is the next part. See how they look good? To me they look great. Like, I like thick dark eyebrows, and I like them long. I like them like this. So the next thing I do is I take Neutrogena. Can y'all see this? Okay, I take makeup wipes, and this is how I clean it up. This is literally how I clean it up, like every time I do brows. Like, if I don't want to go out, if I'm not going anywhere special and not doing like a full face, I literally clean it up just like this. I take the makeup wipe, and you do it depending on your shape, like the shape you want your brows. See, like my makeup is coming off, like, because I have other makeup on my face. Like I said, I just had to remove my brows and redo my brows and come back, but it's okay. And then you literally do it to the shape that you want it. Make sure you get the middle of your forehead. Like, you don't want a unibrow. Let me back y'all up so y'all can see. All right, so y'all see makeup is coming off, but we can fix that. You can use, if anything, I would use the LA Girl Pro Concealer, either in the color Cool Tan or Fawn. These two, they're like a shade lighter, and one is darker than the other. I use those to clean up my brows, and I just use like a little thin makeup brush to like clean it up. But 5 minutes, I'm keeping this as like an easy tutorial that you could do in like 5 minutes. You just do that, and you want to get rid of like the fuzzy parts, like any part of your eyebrow that's like fuzzy, because that's where you put the makeup out. Make sure you clean that. make sure you clean that up. And then yeah, like this is slightly longer than the other one. But like I said, my brows are naturally like two different shapes. One has a better arch, my right one has a better shape than my left one. So like that's just really how my brows are gonna come out. But like it's not as nice. See my right brow, I love my right brow, but my left one, I just can't with my left one. I'm sorry. But yeah, that's basically it. It really just takes me 5 minutes. If I wasn't talking, I would have been already done with it, obviously. But it takes me like 5 minutes to do my brows. And I do this even sometimes when I am going out. Like I just do this and see? Don't mind my bags. I put a little makeup on. They're not as bad, but like they look gorgeous to me. And like literally that's all I do. No foundation, no concealer. No, all you need is one product, which is the Goof Poof pencil by Benefit. You can get it from Macy's, you can get it from Sephora, and you can get it from Ulta Beauty. I've gotten it from all three places. The price kind of varies. I think Ulta Beauty, it's like $25, I believe. Macy's, I think Macy's might have been the cheapest. Sephora, I can't remember how much Sephora cost, but I'm pretty sure that Macy's is the cheapest place to get it, like in store. Ulta Beauty, I got it online, so it might be cheaper in the store, but it costs $25 online, I think. So yeah, I can put the link in the description if you guys want to get it too, because I love this brow pencil. It saves my life. If I never found it, then like I said, I would have been doing my brows a different way. But yeah, that's how I do my brows in under 5 minutes when you just want to do a simple everyday look and you're not doing like a full face of makeup. It doesn't have to be perfect, but this is good for the summertime. Sometimes you don't want to wear all that thick heavy makeup and you just need something quick and easy to go. Then this method really works. All you need is the brow pencil, some little makeup wipes, make sure you have a spoolie to get the little hairs up, and that's all you have to do. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I know you guys see my new banner, my new channel name, and my new intro. So a lot of things have been changing. I go by MOURA YING now, not Planet Moura's, but you can still email me for business purposes at planetmouras@gmail.com. I don't know why I said the at in the beginning. Just planetmouras@gmail.com. Like, girl doesn't even know what she's talking about right now. But yeah, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah!